Hello kids! Welcome to Alphabet Letter Sounds. Let's learn together and have fun. This is the letter A. A says apple, apple. This is the letter B. B says ball, ball. This is the letter C. C says cat, cat. This is the letter D. D says dog, dog. This is the letter E. E says egg, egg. This is the letter F. F says fish, fish. This is the letter G. G says goat, goat. This is the letter H. H says hat, hat. This is the letter I. I says igloo, igloo. Great job! You learned letters A to I. Clap your hands. See you in the next video.